Hey guys, welcome back to my, surprise, we have a guest star today. Cute. Hi guys, welcome back. I just want to talk to you guys about IGTV. I got the opportunity to talk to the Instagram team themselves yesterday at the Instagram meetup Insta Beach. And if you guys want to check that out, the video before this shows my whole day there and it was really cute and fun. And I just want to talk to you guys about what I know about IGTV so far, what you need to know if you're new, and then I'm also going to do a tips and tricks video. So if you're interested, if you're already on it and you feel like you totally get the interface and everything about it, skip to my next video, and that's going to be tips and tricks on how to edit videos and how to create quality content on here. So here is my quick intro to what IGTV is. IGTV is different than stories, and it's different than static Instagram posts and Instagram lives in that it's pre-edited and created content. It can be from 15 seconds up to 10 minutes in length if you upload it from your phone, or if you go online, it's the first time you can upload something from Instagram from your desktop, and you can upload videos up to 60 minutes from your desktop. Super easy to create a channel. All you have to do is click on your IGTV and on your own person, and it'll ask you if you want to create a channel. You press one button. You guys can do it. It's different because the videos are vertical, and so they are made to be vertical native. So Instagram's really pushing people recording and editing and doing everything from their phone to make it super simple, which is what I loved about it and what I talked to the team about yesterday. So IGTV can be accessed either from your Instagram account here, so you can see it on your own creator channel with your highlights, or to see other people's on your home screen. You just go into the upper right hand corner next to messages and you can browse, and they've made it really easy for you. They start playing a video right away, just like turning on the TV. You don't have to search to start watching content. You already follow people on Instagram that are creating stuff, and they've created these categories for you. So this is for you based on what they think you'd like. You can do people that you're already following. You can see what videos are popular right now from celebrities and big time Instagrammers already, or you have a continue watching. So these are things I've started watching, and they hold the spot of where you are, so you can keep watching them, the most recent videos. It's super simple to navigate. All you do is just swipe left or right, and you can scroll through all the videos available from people that you follow and people. You can also access this directly from the IGTV app, which is obviously the same thing on Instagram, except for it's its own independent app. So you can do it both ways. People that may interest you, depending on what tab you're on. To go back to the navigation, all you do is swipe up, and you can go here. And to upload your own videos, all you do is click the icon with your channel. There's a little plus button in the right-hand corner. It asks to access your photos. Pick a video, click next. You can add your own cover from your camera roll if you want to. And then you just enter your title and description. And post it to your Facebook page directly as well, and then you just click post. When you're watching videos, it's sometimes hard to tell, but there is an arrow right by the title of the video that allows you to see a description. Don't forget that you can add links so that people can see what you're talking about or shop your looks. It's really awesome that way. You can also tag people, and then it'll take you directly to the person or brand that you're tagging. Instagram has said that for now, there's no monetization, but obviously that's their goal. So there's links and different things that you can use. One thing I didn't get a clear answer on is hashtags. Will it categorize in hashtags? And that's something I'm not 100% clear on, but as I learn more, I'll let you know. I've been including hashtags just because I think it's going to be a good way to categorize. The main difference between IGTV and YouTube is that YouTube is a search engine. It is backed by Google. People are going to search directly for how-tos and videos there in a different. IGTV at this current stage is really for browsing because people are going to come across videos that interest them. So it is a little different. There's definitely still a place for YouTube, and it's horizontal. I don't think that's going anywhere soon, but this is the first vertical native akin to video app that you can upload things for up to an hour. So I do think it is major. It's definitely more like a YouTube than a Netflix. I do predict that soon different brands are going to come on board and create branded content and original content, but for now, it's definitely more of a user-generated content platform. The aspect ratio is 16:9, and you can upload 4K videos from 15 seconds to 10 minutes, like I said, or from your desktop, you can upload up to an hour. A view is counted as 3 seconds or more, and they do have really awesome analytics already, so you can see your audience retention. I'll show you guys that now. So if you want to see how your video is doing, click on your video. You can go to View Insights, and you can see your likes, views, engagement, and the average amount of people that watched your video and how much they watched of it. Unlike YouTube, you can really only have one channel because the creators are the channel. And one of the main questions I'm getting is how I edit my videos. So hop to the next video so you guys can see my top 5 tips for IGTV. But as far as what the difference is between stories, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, and IGTV, here's my opinion. YouTube is for longer format, more produced videos. That's something you might spend more time on. Obviously, it's vertical format. IGTV is really made to be easy. It's made to be accessible so anybody can be creating content. And so it really is designed to be recorded from your phone, edited on your phone, and done quickly and without such high production value. There's of course room for things that are higher production value. I've been playing on my channel with both. As you can see, I did one at the nail salon that I recorded from my phone. I did one from the Instagram meetup yesterday, I recorded from my phone. And then I have ones that I recorded with a mix of iPhone edits. And then I have some that I edited with a mix of iPhone apps for cool effects and my actual DSLR, which I just shot vertically. So you can do a mix of high-low production, but you don't have to have a perfectly edited video, and it's definitely a lot easier. How I'm going to continue using YouTube is to just post twice a week and think about things that people are going to search for. That's the main difference, is that right now IGTV is browsable and it's snackable and people just pop in there for entertainment and they end up browsing. YouTube is a search engine. People are looking for how to do makeup a certain way, how to cook a certain way. So think about, in terms of that, where you're going to find your audience. Do you want something that's just going to hook them and interest them? Or do you want to put something out there that people can search and find specifically? That is the main difference. I hope that makes sense to you guys. If you have any questions, please comment below and let me know. I hope that answers most of your questions about IGTV. Like I said, hop over to the next video. Please like and comment on this and follow me. And if you guys have any other questions, let me know.